Hey guys, Mr. Kitcher Magpie here. Today I'm going to do a screwdriver cocktail for you, but not just one regular screwdriver. I'm going to do a standard screwdriver cocktail and then a green screwdriver just to show you how you can mix things up a little bit. So starting off with, we have a couple of really nice orange glasses here because it's an orange drink. You're going to use vodka. I happen to be using this Prairie Organic stuff. So 1.5 ounces of vodka per glass to start you off. And you're literally topping this puppy up with orange juice. Now you can control how much orange juice you want to put in, obviously. If you want a slightly stronger drink, put a little less in. You can also use a shorter glass if you want to. I happen to like mine nice and tall. Now, got your glasses, put them over here. We're going to do the garnish. So obviously, being a cocktail that's made primarily with orange, we're going to use an orange slice. But in the 80s, a lot of cocktails like this, they were really fond of using maraschino cherries because they're kind of tacky, cheesy, sugary, and people love them. So we're going to slap one of those on each one here, like so. And there's your garnish. And we'll get another one. And put him in there. And garnish that guy. And boom, there's two pretty fantastic looking screwdrivers. Now, to make the green screwdriver, very simple. Use a slightly different glass. Now this guy uses the same basic ingredients, but then you're mixing it up a little bit and making it green using blue curacao. If you don't know what blue curacao is, it's this stuff here. It's basically just an orange flavored kind of liqueur. Okay, so I pre-measured out my ingredients here. We're going to use 2 ounces of club soda. We're going to use 4 ounces of orange juice. We're going to use 1 ounce of blue curacao and some vodka. So let's start off with the vodka. So where did I put my shot glass? There she is, hiding on me. All right, so vodka, same measurements. We'll do 1.5 ounces. Pour that in. Okay, now we're going to do, this is where you get the green part from, and you'll understand once I pour in the orange juice. So put in 1 ounce of blue curacao. Boom, already looking really great. Okay, 4 ounces of orange juice, or whatever you can get in the glass, because it all depends on the glass, of course. There we go. Look at how amazing the color is already. Instant green. Top her up with some club soda. Look at that. It's like I meant to do that. Holy smokes. The ultimate measurement. Okay, so you can do the same process. Cut yourself a nice orange slice. Take your cherry. Push it on through. And we'll garnish this guy. Ooh, can he do it without spilling, ladies and gentlemen? Holy smokes, there we go. Hang on, I'm gonna give it a little stir here. What do we got with their straws? Okay, first let's get these guys in here. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. It's like I meant to do this. Totally nailed the right amount of ice by accident. Okay, and there you go, guys. So, green screwdriver, standard screwdriver, time to drink. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.